Good morning, YouTube. My name is Rick, and I am here to do a course review from a gentleman named Matt Parr, who has a YouTube content creating YouTube course called To Mastery. It's a program I joined about 2 months ago and have had a tremendous amount of success. I've working on my third channel at this point. Matt's got at least 9 channels that he has built up, and the beauty of the program, it teaches you how to do this without being behind a camera. So the funny thing is, this is my first ever time personally being behind a camera. Why it's funny is that the course itself teaches you how to make money without having to do this. There's a way to systematically create content in specific niches and actually make money on YouTube. And for me, especially in today's time right now with COVID-19 going on, what better way to build more skills and learn how to create another revenue stream in a time that a lot of job security is uncertain right now. Matt's course can teach you step by step how to implement free tactics on how to create a YouTube channel that can get monetized and eventually bring you in a good source of revenue, ongoing residual income. So I can't recommend Matt's course To Mastery enough. I give it 5 stars. Check the comments below. I'm going to drop a link that he shared with me for a webinar that helps explain it. And if you've got the time, which I think we all do right now, I can't recommend this enough just to take a peek and see what's possible with YouTube. Rather than looking at it as just a viewing platform, there is a business opportunity that's available for all of us. And it's definitely changed my life for the better as far as creating another stream of income for me that I can see for the long haul is going to continue to provide income month after month. So can't recommend it enough. Check the comments below, click the link, at least watch the training. It's free, and hope you guys join and take advantage of what he's got to offer.